Good morning. Good morning, guys. Today is prom day for me. It's Saturday the 21st, and I thought today would be a good day to film a video. Yes, wait, I'm gonna zoom in. My glasses are fake. They're from Wish. They were, I think, $1. They're totally worth it. They're so cute, but they're just like a little bit big on me. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along my day. Hello everybody, so I'm just going to stand here and eat some breakfast. I'm having Special K fruit and yogurt cereal, and I only have a little bit amount of skim milk. Ooh, this is really hard to balance here. But yeah, this is what I'm having for breakfast. Next step is going to be showering off that top layer of my spray tan, because I did get a spray tan yesterday. I was gonna do my normal like self tan, but I always have something that goes wrong with it when I do it. So I wanted somebody else to do it for me. Yeah, I'm just hanging out in my kitchen. I don't even know if you could see me that whole clip. I was trying to do something weird because my camera's popped up weird, but yeah. So I'm out of the shower. I'm just eating these peanut butter cups. I like the white chocolate ones so much better, and if you've never tried them, you must try them. Just got out of the shower, by the way. That's why my hair is. Hi guys, so I was just with my friends and they did my hair for me. It's right now, it's just in these like loose curls, half up, half down, and then I'm gonna have my mom film the back of it. So 1 second. Now I can see it. So yeah, it's like 3 braids and a half up, half down. That's pretty. Alright, now I'm eating this salad that has like bacon, cheese, cucumbers, crackers, and soon to be ranch. It looks pretty good if you ask me. Hi guys, so we're doing a get ready with me for prom. Rachel's on FaceTime, so if you hear someone talking, it's this cutie. She looks so cute. She did her hair all curled. My hair's curled. I already kind of showed it to you guys, but
I'm straightening mine right now.
About to straighten hers. I'm using my tripod, which I never use, but this is a good time to use it. So for makeup, I'm starting with this little Maybelline concealer. Looks like so in my little beauty blender. I already actually put this on, so I'm not going to show you that again. But I've just been blending it in with my beauty blender for a little while. And I get mine like wet, and then it gets like more puffy and good. I'm not wearing foundation because I don't want to, and my skin is not looking that awful. So I'm going to be using bronzer instead. And for bronzer, this is my favorite shade. It's actually just a True Match powder, but like it lasts a while, like all day. And this is in the shade Tan. Wait, what? Classic Tan. And then I just kind of work it in.
Dress.
What'd you say?
I said this is my dress.
Oh yeah, should we show the fans?
Yeah.
Little booby there.
I know.
Hi guys, here's Rachel's dress. God, she's the funniest human. Yeah, so that's what she's wearing. Kidding, that's her robe.
That's obviously Ellie.
In case you thought that was her real dress.
In case you actually thought I was gonna wear this, don't judge a book by its cover.
Did you really?
Did you really think I was gonna wear this?
Yeah.
Don't touch it.
I kind of wish you would, but it's fine.
And then I'm blending it up here into my temples and stuff. And make sure you get your jawline. And then after that, just going down the sides of my neck. I love being tan and super bronzy, so that's why I'm putting so much on, if you're wondering. And then I go right down the top of my nose. So that's like what it's gonna be. Actually, no, I'm gonna put on a highlighter too. There. The one that I'm using is this by Becca. It is in the shade Moonstone. It is glorious, let me tell ya. Rachel's doing her makeup too, but you just guys
You just guys
can't see her. Al and I were talking about this today. We have not like put heat on our hair like in forever. All I've done it for in like the past year and a half is only for school dances. What about you, Rach?
I straighten my hair sometimes.
Do you really?
Like for school.
Oh, no, see, no.
I feel like I never see you with it like really straight.
On Thursday, I straightened it, but like, I only do it for like 5 minutes and then I go to school.
That's what I thought.
Time in the morning.
And then I just put a little bit of highlighter on the tip of my nose, and then I have it here as well, if you couldn't tell. Next, I'm taking this little precise brush. It's from Shiny Cosmetics. And I'm taking the same highlighter, and I'm just going in the inner corners of my eye, just to brighten it up.
Oh no.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Done. Oh my god.
Did all your hair come out on it?
No, it's because it's sticky. Oh my god.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Okay, guys. So, we have pictures at 5:30. It's like 4 something right now. But after prom, we have this event called After Prom, and it goes till like 3:30 at night. Like, actually 3:30 in the morning is what it ends up being.
3:30? I thought it was 3.
Well, I thought it was...
No, I think you can leave at... Never mind. You can leave at 3 now.
Okay, but I don't know. There's supposed to be a lot of fun things there, and like a lot of stuff to do. So it should be fun. I don't know. I'm really nervous because a lot of reasons. I'm really nervous.
Ew.
I'm excited.
Okay. Next, I'm putting on Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Yeah, I already curled my eyelashes a little bit earlier, so that's why they look kind of long already, I guess. I don't really know. They probably don't look that long to anybody.
Alright, I need to go take off my self tan.
Alan's going to take off her self tan while I do this. Alright guys, so I just finished doing my eyelashes. Like putting the mascara on. It went well, I think. They look kind of good. And now I'm just going to finish the look off with some Carmex.
You already done?
Mm-hmm.
What the hell?
I'm not wearing it.
What'd she say?
Goodbye guys.
Oh, that's okay.
Okay.
Okay guys, so here is my dress. I don't have my shoes on. The dress is from Lulu's. Looks like this. I also have on this necklace right here. I don't know if you can see it. My bracelet is like this little diamondy one. But yeah, here's my dress. I'm really nervous for prom. I'm really freaking out. Yeah, I'm leaving in like 20 minutes. Okay, so we're taking pictures at this place that's like nearby. There's Alan. Alan just did her hair. Wait, Alan, should I
Should I put more curl in it or no?
you need to, yeah, you really do need more curl.